To preserve battery health in Google Pixel 11, first of all, you'll need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter battery options right here, and then we can go for battery health. Look for the charging optimization, and then you can activate this option. There's also two different settings working with it. You can either select adaptive charging, which tries to automatically charge your phone to 100% right before you usually unplug your phone. And it works the best if you charge your phone on the regular basis. So for example, if you always charge your phone overnight, I would recommend to activate this option instead of limit to 80%, as it will try to remember when you wake up and then unplug your phone right before you're gonna wake up, and during the night it will leave your phone at 80% or something like that to preserve battery health, as keeping your phone charged all the time to 100% damages battery. Then there's limit to 80%, which will preset a limit of 80% of your battery, so you will be able to charge your phone only to 80%, not more, and you can also use it if you don't charge your phone on a regular basis. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.